You're training hard, but you're still not getting leaner. It may not be your workouts. It may be what happens outside the gym. 3 reasons fat loss stalls: eating back the calories you burned, healthy eating without portion control, training hard but being inactive the rest of the days. Your workout is only one piece of the equation. Real fat loss isn't about doing more. It's about getting the right things aligned. Progressive resistance training, appropriate calorie intake, daily activity, recovery and sleep, consistency over time. That's the difference between working out and actually following a fat loss strategy.